Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on RCS on your Android phone in a quick and easy way. This feature only takes a few minutes to set up, so let us get started. Here's what we will go through step by step. Number 1. Open Messaging app. Number 2. Access settings. Number 3. Find RCS chats option. Number 4. Enable RCS messaging. Number 5. Troubleshooting tips. Let us get started. At step number 1, open Messaging app. Start by opening your Messaging app. In this tutorial, I am using Google Messages, but the steps are similar for most Android messaging apps. Step number 2, access settings. Once inside the app, tap your profile icon or menu button to open the settings panel. From there, select message settings to continue. Step number 3, find RCS chats option. Inside the settings menu, look for RCS chats. Tap on it to open the feature settings page. Step number 4, enable RCS messaging. Now you will see the option to turn on RCS chats. Simply toggle it on to activate the feature. This allows you to use advanced messaging features like read receipts and better media sharing. Step number 5, troubleshooting tips. If RCS doesn't turn on, make sure of the following. Your phone supports RCS messaging. Your mobile network or carrier supports it. Your messaging app is updated. Try restarting or updating your phone if needed. Most newer Android devices already support this feature, so it should work without issues. And that's it. And for disclaimer purposes, availability of RCS messaging may vary depending on your device, region, and mobile carrier. And again, that's it. You have successfully enabled RCS messaging on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful Android tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We are happy to attend with it. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.